thinking that in the end, life is a bit like a video game. You wake up and you have to go straight to school or to work. Then it's lunchtime and you have to prepare something. And the same story at dinner time. It's an endless cycle of tasks and challenges to face every day. Then, when you've finished everything, you can finally play. Nice one, you'll say. And instead you have to set up the LEDs, your headphones, and all the other bits and bobs to start your gaming session. So why not take advantage of my abilities to help gamers, not only with coffee, but with a skill developed especially for them. And so, along with Lavazza, we have given life to Voicy, your gaming partner. And like every good partner, I will help you in everything that regards home and the streaming automation. And seeing as I already know you, I have already prepared a set of exercises and skills developed by the pros as Fnatic. You just focus on enjoying yourself. I'll deal with the rest.